Hello friends, welcome back and learn adjectives in English Urdu with sentences starting from the alphabet B to C. So let's start our video with this first word, that is bouncy. Lachakdar. We play cricket with bouncy ball. Bountiful. Bakasrat ya faraqtil sakhi. This world is full of bountiful resources. Brave, Bahadur. He is our brave leader. Breakable, टूटने वाला. Is this glass breakable? Brief, मुख्तसर. Please tell me your brief story. Bright, रोशन. This side of sky is bright. Brilliant, शानदार. Yeah, Zaheen, you are my brilliant pupil. Brisk, तेज. Yeah, chust. Yeah, तेजदम. I imagined that she was brisk. Broken, टूटा हुआ. He was frustrated with his broken arm. Bronze, पीतल. Yeah, कांसी. I won bronze cup in the competition. Bruised, खाल के अंदर की चोट. Her bruised hand is now healed. Bulky, भारी. I cannot lift this bulky stuff. Buoyant, खुशगवार. Yeah, खुशबाश. My manager is buoyant negotiator. Burdensome, बोझल. Yeah, भारी. Yeah, कड़ा. It was a burdensome time for me. Bustling, हलचल. Yeah, भागदौड़. We live in a bustling city. Busy, मसरूफ. Today I am not busy. Buzzing, बनबनाहट. Nowadays my ears are feeling buzzing voice. Calculating, हिसाब. या गिनती. I admire her calculating mind. Calm, पुरसुकून. His retired uncle is in search of a calm place. Candid, साफगोई. Many people like because he is candid. Capital, Darul Hukumat. Foreign delegates usually have offices in capital city. Carefree, लापरवाह. या बेफिक्र. The teacher said that he is my carefree student. Careful, होशियार. या खबरदार. The father said that she is my careful daughter. Careless, लापरवाह. The mother said that he is my careless son. Caring, देखभाल. The children said that they are our caring parents. Cautious, मोहतात. You need to be more cautious. Cavernous, बहुत गहरा. It was a cavernous pitch. Celebrated, मनाया गया. Yesterday an Independence Day was celebrated. Charming, दिलकश. People talk about her charming habits. cheap, sasta. She has bought a very cheap necklace. Cheerful, खुशमिजाज. Finally, we reveal a cheerful man. Chief, Sardar, या Hakim, या Ahem. It is one of his chief mission. Chilly, ठंडा, या सर्द मोहर. It is slightly chilly outside. Chubby, गोल मटोल. My neighbor was chubby. Circular, goal. He purchased a circular plot. Classic, पुरानी अच्छी चीज़. Do you like classic movies? Clean, साफ. This area always remains clean. Clear, साफ या खाली. The area is now clear. Clear cut, वाज़े. It is our clear cut policy. Clever, होशियार या चालाक. The kid is so clever. Close, करीब या बंद. They are very close to me. Closed, बंद. The shop is closed. Cloudy, अबर आलूद. It is cloudy weather today. Clueless, बेखबर. She was clueless. Clumsy, बेढंगा या बेतुका. You have clumsy way of doing. Cluttered, बेतरतीबी या बिखरा. Please do not make my work cluttered. Coarse, खुरदुरा या मामूली किस्म का. This cloth is coarse. Thanks for watching.